how to create a Facebook account step by step. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this very quick video. So let's get started right away. Now all you basically want to do is open up Facebook when you just downloaded it. Well, I already had accounts before on here, so I just have to click on the bottom, sign up for Facebook. If you didn't have any, it will probably look a little bit different, but the sign up for Facebook will probably look even bigger on your screen. So I'm just going to click on there. Here it'll say, joining Facebook will help you create an account in a few easy steps. So click on get started, choose your first name, then click on go. Then here choose your birthday. So I'm just gonna select something like this. Then continue and choose any of these genders. I'm gonna go ahead and click male, then click next. Here you can either add your phone number or use an email address instead, or you can actually add both. Let me find that out real quick. I think you can later on add like one of the two as well. For now, I'm just going to use an email address. Once you fill it in, just click on go. Then create a password. So that's what I'm going to do right now as well. Once you have created a password, simply click on go. And then it says finish signing up. People who use our service may have uploaded your contact information. So you can just read all of that, but usually people don't even do that. Just click on sign up and it says creating your account. And then for iPhone users, or maybe on Android as well, it will ask if you would like to save your password. So I'm just gonna simply save it. Then this will pop up as well, and you will have a confirmation code in your email. So just check that out real quick. And I've pasted it in here, click on submit. And now my email is confirmed. And now you can add a profile picture. I'm going to skip all of that real quick, but here you can add it. And then turn on contact uploading to find friends easier. So you can add a phone number in order to find your contacts that have connected their phone number to their Facebook account as well. You can easily become friends. I don't want that. So I'm going to click on don't allow. And yeah, that's basically it. So yeah, that's all there is to it. I hope this video helps you out, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.